Next word is like somebody that play too much. Like a trickster. Like they play entirely too much.
He's a Jinnal. Why you look at so?
Guys,
He's a Jinnal. You is a Jinnal.
can you spell it for me, please?
Jinnal.
Jinnal. Jinnal.
Janelle. Hey,
A
Janelle.
Hey, Jinnal. Jinnal.
Yeah, Jinnal.
Jinnal.
Yeah.
What that mean? Like, how does that word come about? Me no know.
Have no clue, but he's a Jinnal.
Use a Jinnal. You play too much. You
Yeah,
need to
man. Trickster.
pipe down.
Yeah.
You trickster.
Mhm.
Somebody that like to play like pranks on people.
Or play with your feelings or your emotions.
The next word is something I have to say all the time. As a teacher, stop it nice. When you give that that teacher look. Oh, that's what I thought.
Oh.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's what.
What I say? I wore.
I'm sorry, that sounded like an animal word. Please do it again.
I wore.
I know I've heard a dog say that. Something. A wool. A wool.
I wore.
A wool.
Make sure I say you do your work, you know. I wore.
Make sure you do your work, A wool.